In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning 3D text in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to make a presentation more engaging or want to add a creative twist to your slides, creating 3D text is a great way to grab attention. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can master this technique with ease. First, let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have your presentation ready to go. Once you have it open, navigate to the specific slide where you want to add your 3D text. This could be a title slide, a section header, or anywhere you think some added pizzazz might be beneficial. If you haven't yet added text to your slide, go ahead and do that now. Simply insert a text box and type in whatever you'd like to transform into 3D text. Now that you have your text, click on it to select it. Once your text is selected, you'll want to locate the Shape Format tab at the top of your screen. By default, you might be in the Home or Insert tab, so be sure to switch over to Shape Format. This tab will give you access to a variety of text styling options. In the Shape Format tab, look for the option labeled Text Effects. This is where the magic happens. When you click on Text Effects, a drop-down menu will appear presenting you with several options. These options include shadow, reflection, glow, and of course our main focus today, 3D rotation and 3D format. Go ahead and choose your desired 3D text effect from the options available. Experiment with different styles to see which one best suits the theme and tone of your presentation. Remember, you can always preview these effects to determine what looks best. Once you've selected a 3D effect, further enhance your text by right-clicking on it from the slide itself. A menu will appear and you'll want to choose Format Text Effects. This opens a new sidebar with more in-depth customization options for your 3D text. In the Format Text Effects menu, you can increase the depth of your 3D effect, giving it more prominence and helping it to stand out even more on your slide. Adjust the settings until you're satisfied with the appearance. Finally, don't forget to change the color of the depth and contour to match your presentation's color scheme. This subtle change can make a big difference in the overall aesthetics. You'll find these color options in the same Format Text Effects menu, and it's a great way to ensure that your 3D text blends seamlessly into your slide design. And there you have it, you've successfully created stunning 3D text in PowerPoint. With these techniques, your presentations will capture your audience's attention and leave a lasting impression. Experiment, have fun, and enjoy the creative possibilities that PowerPoint has to offer.